Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It's Monday, August 28th, 2017, 10:43 a.m. What I have today is a vintage KDK ceiling fan. Now, this is a Japanese fan built in the I think late 70s through the 80s. I acquired this as it was actually from a hair salon. There were 3 of them originally in a row, and the owner replaced the last one with a big, Casablanca Avalon knockoff. He thought it was a Casablanca, and I had to break the news that it was a knockoff. It didn't have the hang true, had a different, different, flimsier upper canopy, different switch housing cap. Anyway, hoping to eventually get the other 2 if I can, if he upgrades his fans. So anyway, start off on high. Medium. Low. Now, what makes this fan particularly interesting is the blades are mounted to the top. It's called a top mount spinner. And the bottom remains stationary. But the entire top half of the motor housing spins along with the blades. It's sort of an unusual looking fan. Very distinctive. And the top part's made of plastic, bottom is metal. Now for the spin down. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do like this if you would. If you could click the like on this, I could use all likes I could get. Subscribe if you would, please. I could use all the subscribers I could get. The page is called The Fan Cave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. And if I know any of you guys from the ceiling fan groups on Facebook, my name's Mark Wilson. Please, feel free to shoot me a friend request. Alright folks, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.